Imagine, if you will, the year 1789. The astronomer William Herschel peers through his 40-foot telescope and spots something remarkable. It was on this fateful day, September 17th, that Herschel discovered Mimas, one of Saturn's innermost moons. Named after a giant from Greek mythology, Mimas is a celestial body of considerable intrigue. Despite its small stature, with a mean radius of just 198 kilometers, Mimas boasts a unique claim to fame. It's the smallest moon to retain a round shape due to gravitational forces. And thus, Mimas, the smallest moon to retain a round shape due to gravitational forces, was discovered. Now that we know how Mimas was discovered, let's delve deeper into its fascinating characteristics. Composed primarily of water ice with a smattering of rock, Mimas is a celestial body with a surprisingly low density, less than that of liquid water. It orbits Saturn, our ringed giant, at a close distance, tidally locked in a dance that always shows the same face to the planet, much like our moon does with Earth. And it doesn't just orbit passively. Mimas plays a significant role in Saturn's ring system, clearing material from the Cassini division through its gravitational pull. This is a beautiful example of orbital resonance, where celestial bodies exert a periodic gravitational force on each other. Despite being closer to Saturn, Mimas has a very cold and dark surface with temperatures plunging as low as -209 degrees Celsius. So, Mimas, with its icy composition and unique orbit, plays a vital role in Saturn's ring system. The most striking feature of Mimas, however, is not its icy composition or its orbit, but something far more dramatic: the Herschel crater, an enormous indentation that spans about 80 miles across, covering roughly 1/3 of the moon's diameter. The outer walls of this massive crater tower at around 3 miles high, with the central peak reaching even higher at 3.5 miles. The impact that caused such a colossal crater was so forceful, it almost shattered Mimas into pieces. In fact, the shock waves produced by this cataclysmic event are likely responsible for the fractures visible on the moon's opposite side. The Herschel crater, a dramatic testament to the moon's tumultuous past. Despite its icy exterior, Mimas holds a mystery that continues to perplex scientists. It's one of the most inactive moons in our solar system, showing no signs of geological activity or internal heat. This conundrum is made even more fascinating when we compare it to Enceladus, another of Saturn's moons. Despite being closer to Saturn and having a more eccentric orbit, Mimas is like a frozen desert, while Enceladus is a hotbed of geysers spewing water and ice. Why the stark difference? Some speculate that Mimas's interior is more homogeneous, lacking the rocky core and subsurface ocean of Enceladus that generate heat from tidal friction. Mimas, a moon that remains frozen in time, holds a mystery that we continue to unravel.